Hey guys, Katrhyn is back. I posted a poll on Instagram if you should get a buzz cut, if we should just crop this pixie because it's gorgeous already, or if we do the buxie again, but then with shorter sides. You voted yourself.
Yeah, I did.
You don't want the buzz cut.
No.
I thought let's make this a little fun, so I wrote 3 cards. You're gonna pick one blind. When we're done, you know what's the outcome.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Show it to the camera. All right, let's see what it is. Ooh,
Okay.
interesting.
If you enjoy watching these videos, there's a lot of hard work, love, passion, and fun involved. 80% of you hasn't subscribed to the channel yet. You'd help me out big time to grow, and, well, you just make my day. Hit that subscribe button.
Now the front looks super long compared to the rest. Now, to make it a little more interesting, are we gonna go like this? Or here? I'm gonna start over here and then leave you hanging a little longer. try to like procrastinate for as long as possible, but these next steps are gonna give away your choice, I think.
Okay.
Ready for it? Alrighty, that's it. I think you already guessed what's on the card.
Yeah.
Voila.
Oh, yeah, this is nice.
That's it, guys. We're done. The before, and the after. You picked out the right card. I really love this cut.
I love it too. It's great. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming in again. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever. See ya.